Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable dark mode on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. In left pane, click on More option, then click on Settings and Privacy. Under settings, you will find accessibility, display and languages. Click on it. Now click on display. Under background, you will find three options: default, dim and light out. Light out is the dark mode. Click on here, and dark mode is enabled on my Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.